I'm Kelly Graham. I'm the viticulture and site manager here at Josef Chromy. Josef Chromy Wines sit at the base of the Tamar Valley, 15 minutes south of Launceston City. We sit on 60 hectares of prime viticulture country. It's predominantly Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, Pinot Gris, Riesling and Zweigelt. We have a commercial wine growing venture here, so the vines, as you can see over my shoulder, hopefully, are all traditionally grown. I started here in 2022, and when I did, I had an understanding that the irrigation system was in need of some urgent repair. So once we've done that, we investigated some ag tech to actually give us and help us with decision making through what water we needed, how much water we needed, when to use it, and how efficient we were at using current practices. So we investigated swan systems and some airborne logic technologies to try and help us with irrigation scheduling, monitoring, and some insights into what this site could do, and to help us with production and to ensure that our wine quality for the future.